Gonzo on the track.
All right, what's going on, guys? I'm Lawson with Custom Offsets. Today's video, we're doing another employee rides episode. You guys loved the first episode, so we're bringing back another part. Now, before we hop into it, if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension, customoffsets.com. Also, we're doing another giveaway. Pick up one of these hoodies because it's cold out, or a t-shirt. Get your chance to win McGoy suspension, amp tires, and Axe wheels. Let's hop into it. Alrighty, so we have Rainey's 2012 Ram 2500 coming, sitting on 10.5 inches of lift. So how he achieved that was he's got an 8-inch premium McGoy's kit, and then on top of that, he stacked a 2.5-inch TGC leveling kit. Everything is powder coated in Illusion Purple. Now, moving into wheels, he's got the 2414 Archon Triumphs in chrome, sitting on Fury's Country Hunter MTs in a 40 15.5 R24. Now, other than that, he's got Morimoto headlights, which we now have on our website. So you guys go pick those up if you need some for your truck, as well as he did a 5th gen taillight conversion. So now he's got those sexy 5th gen taillights on his not 5th gen Rams. So Rainey, come on in, baby, come on. So now what I want to know from you is, I want 3 pros and I want 3 cons to owning this truck and driving this truck. Although you don't really drive it a lot, but that's nonetheless, that's not the point. So first up, 3 pros.
It's a head turner, most definitely.
All right, it's a head turner.
Always wanted one, so I got one now, so that's the best part. And it's everything I've ever wanted.
That's true, he did always talk about it a lot, and he did always want one, so I can definitely attest to that. He is correct. All right.
It's still useful. Everyone says it doesn't tow and haul, and it does, so.
Yeah, and it definitely does do that. All right, there's your 3 pros. All right, now cons, 3 cons.
Fuel economy is terrible.
Fuel economy is terrible.
Being able to see is also terrible. Like, you lose a whole vehicle, especially right here. You can lose a sedan.
You also got the tints.
Yeah, the tint don't help.
Yep, all right, that's 2.
Everything's expensive. Everything's expensive.
Everything is expensive. All right, on to the next one. All right, so next up we actually have
what the
Dustin.
heck? You can't do a video on my car without
Where have
me.
you been? We started already.
Listen, okay, I was a little late. Don't judge me.
All right, well, take us through this thing.
All right.
Put your mic on, God.
All right, so this is my daily. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'd know that I post this thing kind of a lot. This is a 2017 Volkswagen GTI. For wheels, we're on 18x9 Conce KMPs, which is a super JDM wheel. But I decided to stick it on a Euro car. They're plus 35 fitment, which is kind of weird for these cars. Tires, we're talking Michelin Pilot Sports, AS4s, all season 4s, and a 245/35/18, so kind of a thick boy tire there. And that's pretty much it. The rest of it is just OEM plus stuff. It's got projector headlights, LED taillights, window tint all the way around, tinted the windshield because it's friggin' awesome. So yeah, that's.
I dig this thing. This thing is super clean. And I remember when you got this thing, but I think what everyone wants to know, so where's the truck?
Listen, okay, I had a couple of trucks, I sold my last one, and I haven't found the right one yet. So like, I really want to build a clean LBZ cat eye, really bad, really bad, but
Yes.
I haven't found the right one yet. So if you guys know of one, send it to me because I'm actively looking for one of those right now because I want to build one. And then I'll have a truck and then everything will be right again.
There you go, that's right.
Cool.
Dustin is buying a truck.
You heard it here first. All right, so up next we have Bailey's truck. Bailey is one of the Archon graphic designers slash social media reps. So go ahead, take us over this one, Lawson. Tell us what we got going on.
All right, so here we have a 2010 Chevy Silverado 1500. Bailey's sitting on an 8-inch super lift, but he's got King coilovers, which is super vibrant on this all black truck.
Damn.
You see the King blue. He's also got 2414 Archon Caesars, because he works for Archon, so it only makes sense. And he's also got 35 12.5 R24 amp Terrain Attack MTs. He's also got McGoy track bars, which is also powder coated in the blue to match the King coilovers. He's also got Overkill Fab grill.
It's got these little pointy guys on it.
Pretty sick.
Yeah.
I actually want the same grill.
It looks really good on this truck. Alpha X headlights, of course, too. It's got the light bar in the front. Just the whole thing ties together super well. So I like it. I like this truck a lot, actually.
Yeah,
I might
it's
like
dope.
this one more than yours.
Wow. Rip.
Sorry.
I'm a dumb These are 35 13.5s, not 12.5s.
Way to go, Lawson. First take, you said they were ATs, not empties. Now you got the sizing wrong.
I suck.
Get it together.
I suck.
Goodbye.
All right, next on our list is Cole's F-150. Cole is our boosty, I guess is what you call him.
He's a marketer.
Yeah, he does marketing stuff. So take us through this one.
All right, so this is a 2015 Ford F-150 XLT. Cole's actually sitting on a 4-inch zone lift. He's sitting on 20/12 -44 TIS in the 547, which was one of their newer wheels.
Correct.
And he also has Venom Power Terra Hunter RT Pluses in a 33 12.5. Now, other than that, he's got Morimoto headlights, taillights, and fog lights, which are coming to the site soon if they're not already on there. And then past that, this is kind of just his start. He's got like an air intake and a couple under the hood mods, but it's pretty much it for his truck so far. He's just getting started.
Yeah, this thing's super cool. Cole's a big like outdoorsman, hunter, does a lot of like waterfowl hunting and stuff. So he wanted something kind of conservative, but also that looked good. And I think he nailed it completely between headlights and the wheel and tire package looks fantastic on this truck. So.
I drove this thing this morning to go shoot it, and it's pretty quick.
Yeah, it's
makes
neat.
the blow off noises, and compared to my truck that's slow as hell, this thing was pretty fun to drive. So
rip. All right, so up next is a Jeep actually that you guys may have seen before because we did a tire review on this one. This Jeep belongs to Zach from Trail Built, who was Zach from Custom Offsets until he went to our sister company, Trail Built, obviously. So
yep.
Take us around this one a little bit. Tell us what we got going on.
This is a 2018 JLU, and what he's rocking with is a 4-inch super lift. He's actually got 17/9 Anthem Avengers, which is Anthem, well, was Anthem's newest wheel. Now they're coming out with a bunch of banger wheels.
Yeah, they got like 10 new wheels coming. It's gonna be a great time.
And he's actually got 35 12.5 Canati trail hogs on this as well. Rounding everything out to the front, you got Fab 4 front bumper. He's got a rough country winch as well because he kind of encountered some stuff and realized he needed a winch.
He got it stuck in the snow.
Yeah, realized that
Buried.
Realized that he needed a winch. And one cool thing is he actually has a bed specifically made for this thing in the back. Take the seats out, go camping with the wife.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. I mean, I remember when Zach bought this and it was completely stock and he only wanted a 2-inch lift and I convinced him to put the 4 in. And he's like, I don't know, man, it's really big. I don't know if it's gonna look good. And now it looks fantastic.
It does. It does look really good. And that's a lot of things is once you start getting into like those 4-inch ranges for Jeeps, they do look really big. But I think since he did that, he was able to put the 35s. It looks a lot more aggressive and really turned out super well. So
yeah, and I mean, he's got clearance for 40s in here if he really wanted to. So
yeah.
It's awesome.
All right, guys, that's what we got for you guys on another episode of our employee rides. If you guys enjoy this series, definitely let us know down in the comment section below. If you guys need wheels, tires, or suspension for your truck or Jeep, customoffsets.com. And then if you guys need wheels, tires, suspension for your car, fitmentindustries.com. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Goodbye.